Hello, my name is Rachna. In this video, I will explain the lookup function in Microsoft Excel. When I have two examples. Firstly, I use the lookup function to find the name of the student. Equal. Click on the lookup function. Lookup values. A value that lookup search for in the first vector. Click on student ID, comma. Lookup vector. A rank that contains only one row or one column. Select all table, comma. Result vector. The rank that contains only one row or column. Select all student name, close parenthesis, and press enter. 2024/01 2024/05. Now I create a drop-down list. Click on student ID. Click on data. Click on data validation. Click on list. Click on source. Select all student ID. This is the source code of the student ID. And click OK. 2024/01 2024/04 2024/05. Secondly, I use the lookup function to insert male and female into gender. Export. Click on the lookup function. Click on Mr. John Mario, comma. Select on Mr. and Mrs., comma. Select on male and female, close parenthesis. Insert $symbol. And press enter. Double click. Now I insert $symbol using the shortcut key F4. Press F4 and press enter. Click and scroll down. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video.